Do a quick get ready with me. It's just about a very basic look, but to also show you guys what I actually brought with me from China to UK. There are there are some regrets that I misjudged my shipment. So a lot of my loved items I thought going to be here actually this month. When you see this video will be in October. They won't actually arrive until end November. So, yeah. But with current what I've got, is already sufficient enough for me to finish a very basic everyday look. So show you guys what I've got. I shall show you guys as we go. First one is the Maybelline setting spray. This one, Super Stay, is really good. To save your time, I use as a setting spray as a primer. And my skins are still settling into the new environment, especially the water. You see, those acne spots are coming out again, but now I can feel it's start rehealing, start, settling, which is a good thing. Bag of puffs with me. And let's just open a new one today, which is this one from YESSTYLE. They're like this. When you touch it, the material is slightly harder than a normal type of foundation puff nowadays, but I find because it's very condensed and hard in a way that it's actually easier to press product into your skin. Then obviously it's not really a full-on one. And I'm going to use a concealer first, which is from Wingos and Red Earth. This one is really good. In UK, I have to say, I actually putting more makeup on, like daily, comparing to China. Because in China, that is still very acceptable or normal, like you have no makeup on. I know much more modern city like Shanghai or Beijing or like bigger cities, now is a trend that you having some kind of makeup, make yourself just feel better and also look fresher, especially if you need to go to work. But in Changsha, it's still, like 60% of people, if you see walking on the street, they will be having no makeup. So you don't feel that stand out when you have no makeup on. But in UK, there are more people, which I'm quite used to it, is regardless whether you are at home or you're going to work, there are level of makeups people are wearing. Honestly, there is no right or wrong with this type of things. It's just really about the culture, your preference. As long as yourself is happy with or without makeup, that's the main thing. Wingos, this liquid concealer. The amazing thing is the formula. The formulation is between typical liquid concealer to a creamed concealer. When you first swipe on the face, it's like liquid concealer, very easy to spread out, very like smooth. But the more is set on your skin, it turns to more creamy and stickier texture, which really helps to glue but breathable stay on your face. The coverage is really good, very easy to work on your face, and it doesn't work against with any foundations. Especially if you have fairly even skin tone itself, you can just use the concealer itself. You don't have to layer in another thing. I think I just use Wingos this one. And this color is 02, is for highlighting purpose. It's just like a half shade lighter than my normal skin. I'm sure you guys are not interested in a room tour, right? At least on my channel. If you are, then do let me know. Happy to do one. I'm also thinking to do a little bit vlog. I don't know whether you guys are interested. I wanted to do vlog type of videos for a long time, but I didn't really do that in China because my parents didn't really want to be showing in front of camera, and of course they don't feel like totally comfortable. Hence being postponed with the idea. But now I'm in China. Oh, sorry, still in China. But now I'm in UK, kind of have more, flexibility on those things. And besides, before Emily can fully settle into the new nursery, I have a very, very limited time to really dedicate to my makeup videos, because I do spend quite a long time on videoing, creating content stuff. But for vlogging purpose, it's slightly easier because it's kind of just recording as your day goes along. So if you guys are interested, please let me know. For the powders, I actually have a bit collection here. One is Giorgio Armani's, this one from my last shopping haul. FLORASIS, this one is almost finished. And the next one is Kat Von D. This one is really good. I'm going to use it today. And I also brought my Flower Nose, the new series loosing powder, the pink one. I'm not too keen on using it for the entire face because I've been using it a few times. Every time the reflection, like once I catch the lights in certain angle, it just reflect the pinkness. It looks a little bit, not odd. It does look healthy when you look at yourself from the face, but just in certain angles. Anyway, it's still a very good quality loosing powder on its own. What my regression here is not to bring FLORASIS powder, my favorite powders, in my bag. It's a huge regret. Let's put it that way. Kat Von D, this one is very, very good. My color is light. Look at Kat Von D. Really good for blurring and quite friendly for oily skin. With the foundation itself, I probably mentioned in my past videos, I only got two. One is FLORASIS Cushion Foundation. This one is the Water Lily Balancing, and my color is N25. This one I almost finished as well. And here is the YSL one, All Hours Foundation. Both of them are high coverage, long lasting. The Cushion Foundation's performance, FLORASIS one, is the best. For eyes, I got Tom Ford, the Tropical Dust, this one. You guys have seen a couple of videos from this already. And Victoria Beckham's, this one. Flower Nose, the new Ballet collection, White Swan, number 1. If you guys haven't seen this video, check out over here. I got the Mao Geping's contour palette, which I also use as a full face eyeshadow palette, and its actual eyeshadow palette. I also got the 2 Chanel one, Chanel Winter Fall collection. And not because that I wanted to, in a way, it's just because those were the last makeups that I did review or tutorial for my channel before I traveling back. So I have to bring them back. I don't really have a choice. The regression here is I forgot to bring my FLORASIS one with me, the fancy one. Oh, by the way, I've received a lovely gift box from FLORASIS. It's for their new collection. I know you guys were waiting for that review, so it will come up soon. I'm working on that. And if you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I think I will just go for a very, very basic one by using Victoria Beckham's eyeshadow palettes. This palette is very nice. It just, in terms of value for money, this side, I think there are alternatives. It is actually good color combinations and powder qualities and the blendability on your eyes. It just because of its, how to say, its price tag with this, I just personally felt there are a lot of alternatives. Even just within the same price range, there are better ones. The lightest one for my eyebrow, the front half. And then going to use this one for the back half. My camera just died on me. I've just finished the powder itself. Use my eyebrow pencil, my all-time favorite. If you guys looking for this one, yeah, just Google the exact name. It will come up. Using this color as the base, just zigzag all over your eyelid and get a little bit more applied to the area where you feel has a little bit of puffiness. And this color is okay also, just to do a quick shadow for the nose. I'm just going to use a finger, apply this light pink one. This pink is very, very light. So you almost like see a hint of it. So I normally just apply with the finger, gets more, you know, color showing on your eyelid. Once it's actually shown on your eyelid, it's actually a quite nice color. You just with brush, it's gonna take you forever to get the color shown. And I'm going to use this one for on the eyes as well. Then just to define the eyes, I'm going to mix this two. Get the color packed on. Then use a more fluffy brush to just blend it out. Soft the edges to define the lower lash line. I'm not going to tack the color straight away onto the waterline. I'm gonna give like 2 millimeters gap just to adjust my eye shape, because my eyes here is quite lifted and round like here. I want to make it going that way. So I'm gonna give a little bit gap. And we will jump the process a little bit. We're going to do the contour first. We don't necessarily need a blush, but I will still do, which is MAGGIE, this one. I think, is this the only blush? No, I still got the Flower Nose, this blush. But the MAGGIE, this one is really good. 802. See, that's it. Just press it on. Let's finish the eyes with eyeliner and mascara. I'm going to do mascara first. I'm going to try this Uniqlo's one, which which has left on my counter for over or almost 4 years. Why, see the other day, seems still okay to use. So hope it's not gonna burn my eyes. I see. What I like about it is the applicator, which is very smooth or clean for you to work on. But I don't know whether it's expired or something. It's not burning my eyes, but although when you apply it, you don't feel it's wet, but it's flattened out my lashes. Doesn't matter, I have the electronic curler, so I can fix it. But before that, let me do the liner first. The liner I bought with me is Dancing Up one. This is Judy Doll. This one is not bad. This one is actually quite good liquid liner. The AKF one is the best. I'm going to use the Kiss Me. I know you don't really see the marking on it that much now because I've been using so much. I'm going to volumizing my what's it called? I'm losing my words. Eyelashes. For the lip, I actually kind of had no choice. Had to bring back like most of the reviews I've done before I leave China. So I got flower nose. Oh, this is my favorite. Kaleidos, this one. You guys have seen this. Those are my favorite. Mistings one and 2 Tom Ford. I think today I will go for the Kaleidos one. I need to move you guys back a little bit because I only got the socket over here. Have you guys seen this one? I think I did in one of my videos, have I? Can't remember. This is the K Skin, which is very cute, like cat paws. I think this and pink is my favorite. I think they got white or something like that. But the pink one is really, really good, and it's like a heated comb. It can flatten your hair, especially with like my type of hair, which is like more waved rather than either curl or actually straight. This one is very handy, easy to use in the morning, especially if you want to get more like standard root itself. This one can actually do it. What I do is, to start with, just very simple like that, to, you know, clear up, not to like totally straight, but make it more smooth instead of like going that way or inside, you know, kind of help my hair to make up their mind. I would recommend this to people who needs to go to work. You have, you know, minimum times to sort out things in the morning, and like me, you know, always appreciate the extra 5 minutes in bed. This is a very good thing. I think now they have another one. I think I'm gonna buy that and ask my mom to bring it over early next year. Is they have like a hair serum you can put in there, and it's chargeable. This one is operated by the, you know, chargers, but that one is on battery. So you are not restricted. You can just put it in your bag and just kind of like tidy up your hair whenever you need it. You know, especially if you're not driving, you're on the public transportation, leave your hair the last, and you can do it, you know, in the tube, on the bus. And if I want hair to stand up a bit, so I do a small set like this. And you look at the brush, it's already curved itself. So all you do is just do like that, right? And just pull it opposite way and then going up. You see? Here standing straight away. Considering I'm actually doing it just through the monitor of my camera, so it's not as precise as I normally would get, but you can see the effect, right? You see? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put my hair up. I think now it's much better. I will learn how to cut my own fringe. I've seen few TikTok like tutorial videos how you self-service your fringe. I think I will do that one just for fun. Do you like today's look? Very simple, straightforward, isn't it? I do have Natasha Ginona's palette review coming up, as well as FLORASIS new collections reviews coming up as well. So hope you enjoyed today's video and subscribe to my channel as well. Love to always see you on all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you on my next one.